Polestar 2 is not just an electric car. Polestar 2 is a new icon of electric mobility. A confident creature playing to its own rules. Bold graphics, clear-cut architecture, sensual surfaces, and a powerful stance materialize in an uncompromising, pure and progressive design which embodies the true DNA of Polestar. In its heart, the powerful 78 kWh battery pack has been carefully optimized, creating both maximum interior space and a low center of gravity. This densely packed power plant provides up to 500 kilometers of range. Two powerful electric motors generate a combined 300 kilowatts of power and 660 Newton meters of torque. Our engineers designed the powertrain for precise, adjustable torque distribution, elevating your driving experience and positioning Polestar 2 as a true electric performance car. The pixel LED headlamps are not only beautiful to look at, but also contain some of the most advanced lighting technology on the market. We created a stunning crystal light blade incorporating 280 power LEDs, an iconic rear signature which welcomes you with a carefully choreographed illumination sequence unique to the Polestar brand. When you approach, Polestar 2 recognizes you through your phone and unlocks as soon as you grab the door handle. The interior combines stunning simplicity with the intricacy of beautifully crafted details and materials. Polestar 2 expresses the ultimate blend of a high-tech user experience and the sensual joy of a true premium product. Finding your destination or interacting with your car has never been easier than using Polestar 2's natural speech recognition.
Showing results for charging stations nearby.
We teamed up with Google to give you the most seamless integration of your digital life. At Polestar, we believe in a curated customer experience. We have carefully composed every combination of exterior and interior colors and materials to reflect the highest standards of taste and craftsmanship. We take great pride in having created vegan interiors and have done so taking inspiration from the latest in fashion and high-tech sportswear. In addition to our mindset to be responsible with every decision we take, we are also serious about having fun. We have reinvented your experience from the day you order your car, your commute to work, or your personal adventures to make your life hassle-free and above all, to make you love every single mile of your journey in the Polestar 2.